YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are off to our next mini album page. This one you're going to need one 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and that's going to be a pocket. Then you'll need a 4 1/4 by 3 3/8, that's going to be a flip. Then you're going to need 8 1/2 by 3 1/2, that's going to be a long top flip. And then you're going to need a 4 by 4, and then that's going to be a flip this way. Alright, let's start with this 4 by 4. We'll put it down. Get a little bit of glue. You're going to put this right up to the score line, about 1/8 of an inch away. And then to the edge. So, and this one's going to go on top of it. Turn my paper around, and I want to get it all the way to the edge, and again 1/8 of an inch away. There we go. Perfect. So this will fold down like that on top of this small flip here. Okay. Then we have our top left flip. And this is going to go all the way to the edge. On the top and the side. And I'm not going to put my pocket on yet because I want to put my base cover here, but I don't want to do that till I put my magnets there. So let's get our magnets in place. Right, 2 there. Maybe 2 there, we'll see. And 2 here. Okay. Get our tape. Start with our small flip, 1/2 inch away from the edge. There we go. Alright. I'm going to do the same here. Close that. It's going to go on top of this flip. Excuse me. Well, 1/2 inch away from the edge. There. going to do the same for over here. Alright, now we got our magnets down, and they will be underneath our paper here. So we'll just have to remove these two here. This is our base cover. Okay, I got lifted up. I got to move it over just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's see. Oh no. Maybe I will cut it down just a little bit instead of moving it over. I'll just ink that up. Now, let's see if I put it down, if we're better off. Yes. No. Good grief. Alright, we will get this down one way or the other. Okay. Yay! Perfect. Okay. Goodness. That was fun. Okay. Alrighty, so we have that down. Now we can put our pocket here. And then put a little bit of glue at the bottom of your pocket to close that off. There we go. Awesome. And then this is our pocket. Now you could put in a cut if you want. I'm going to leave mine just like it is. My tag fits in there perfect, and I left it a little long. So, okay. Let's go ahead and put on our two big ones. This is for our pocket. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the pocket. It's like a little receipt. Okay, this is going to go on top. Remove the tape backing on this magnet. Yeah, let's see. Alrighty. Okay, we got that on. Okay, I have these for up here. Let me see. So I'm going to put this postcard one up on top. Remove our tape backing off of this magnet and put our receipt here. Nice. Then we have this flip. This magnet. News article. And this last magnet. There we go. Put a little bit of glue here. All that ripping up and down. Okay, close that, and this is our page. I hope you guys enjoyed this page. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.